Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G84, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off automatic text correction. First of all, you need to access devices settings and scroll all the way down to get to System section. Now select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. Following that, just tap on Text Correction and click on this switcher next to Auto Correction. This way you'll switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!